Ladies and gentlemen and collage designers, we're going to do part 6. We're going to add some fonts and we're going to make a clipping mask. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is find a font. So we went to our trusted dafont.com. The only reason I always use Dafont is because it's free and the school doesn't block it. And so if you're at home and you can find other websites to get fonts, that's great. But because I am doing a flower collage, I decided to go with this. So I searched for, I don't know where my search is, but anyway, I searched for flower and then this popped up and this is the one I'm going to do. So I'm going to right click on this. I'm going to say save link as because I'm going to save that font into my assets folder. So I'm going to go to Creative Computer, Raster Design, Collage, Collage Assets, and I'm going to save it there. Okay, but I already did, so I'm going to hit cancel. So we're going to save that font there. So then I'm going to locate that font. So I'm going to go to Collage. Hold on, that's not it. Okay, I navigated to it. Okay, so there we are in my folder, my assets folder. And so there is the flower.zip. We actually need to get the actual thing. So I'm going to right click. I'm going to say 7-zip. I'm going to say extract here. If you don't have 7-zip, you can use any of your extraction programs, your zip programs. If you want to get 7-zip, just download 7-zip. It's free. But anyway, I'm going to go 7-zip extract here. And then when I refresh it, this thing's going to pop up. I already did it, but I unzipped it. So there it is. So I need this. Now, the only reason I need this is because GIMP is weird, but normally what you want to do is you just double click on this, and then you find the TTF, the TrueType font, and double click on it, and then you click install. And normally for normal programs that'll install it for Windows and for every program. GIMP, you have to do something special, which is lame, but you know what? GIMP is free, so what are you going to say? All right, so here's what we're going to do next. We're going to get that font installed on GIMP, so I'm going to move this. I'm going to go to GIMP, and so here's what we're trying to do, by the way. We're trying to put in a font, and then we're trying to use it as a clipping mask where you can see the picture through the font. Okay, so now we're going to go to GIMP, and we're going to go Edit. We're going to go to Preferences, and we're going to go to over here. If you look at Folders, you're going to click on that plus, and we're going to find Fonts. And there's 3 of them. I have no idea why, but there's 3. But we're going to choose the middle one, Roaming, and we're going to click on that. And then we're going to say, hey, I want to look at that thing. So I'm going to click on that, and then it pops up in its own little window. And then there's the fonts folder. You're going to go in there, and then you're going to go over to here to the folder. We had the TrueType font right there. We're going to actually drag that in there. And once you do that, you should actually be able to use that font now. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Windows. We're going to go to Dockable Dialogues. So these things right here are the Dockable Dialogues. And so we're going to go to Fonts, if we can find it. There it is. Click on Fonts. It opens up, and then now our flower is in there, and we can use it. Okay? All right, so I think I'm going to hit pause. I'm going to be done with this part of the video. And in the next one, I'm going to show you how to actually make your clipping mask using the text. Okay? So I'm going to be done for now. And we'll just continue right on to the next video. But sometimes it's hard to get a video all in one shot, so